Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can send a message, a photo or video to a WhatsApp contact for only once. For this you have to open a WhatsApp contact whom you want to send a message for only once, so that after that contact have seen the message, it will be automatically deleted. For this you have to click on attach button. After that you have to click on photo if you want to send a photo. Like in this video I am sending an example photo to one of my contacts. After I have selected photos from one of my photos, it will show me the options for send only once. As you can see in the video, as I have selected the photo, it has shown me the option for send only at once. Once I have selected send only once, it has provided detail about send only once message. So after that, if you click on send, the photo will be sent to the WhatsApp contact, and after that the WhatsApp contact has seen, it will be automatically deleted. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel.